Hi all, welcome to AirTech. Today I'm going to show you how to make online tests using Google Forms. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's get started. Open your Drive to open Google Forms. If you take Drive and open your Google Forms, that form will get saved into your Drive and you can easily access it. Now click on the new button and click on Google Forms option. You will be led to another tab of Google Forms containing a screen like this. Now let's rename it as sample paper for simplicity. Now this is in a form, so we need to convert into a quiz form to give marks and awarding marks. So go to settings and go to quizzes tab and enable the option make it as a quiz. Go to settings, go to quizzes tab, enable the option make this as a quiz. So now we can award marks for each question. So click on the save options to save the changes we have done in settings, and now let's start creating questions. Let the first question be a multiple choice. So let's do with a simple question. What is 1 into 3? And let's give options as 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's give options as 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we need to mark the correct answer. Click the answer key option and give the value marks. I'm giving as 1 and select the right options and click done and click done. We can even do answer feedback if wanted, and click in required option so that the attendee cannot skip this question. So let's add another question on that plus button near to that question toolbar. Now let's do a drop list question. What is 22 into 0? Let's do that question. What is 22 into 0? What is 22 into 0? And let's give options as 22, 1, 0, none of this above. None of this above. Now we are not going to do this as multiple choice. We are going to do this as a checkbox or drop down list. Checkboxes or drop down list we are doing, and let's we can mark multiple options, but here I'm marking only one option and give a point value 1, and we are done with this question and required button. Now let's do a short answer type question like name the following award. This will be useful. Who is the first president of United States? Who is the first president of United States? And instead of multiple choice, it should be marked as a short answer. Who's the first? And we should mark it as a short answer and give the answer. In answer key we should give the answer. The answer is George Washington. And if you want to give any other answer also you can give, but here I am giving the answer. And don't forget to mark the option mark all answers as incorrect. So if attendee write this answer, he will get the marks and 1 point for this question. Now I am done with this question. Now let's go to another type of question where high descriptive type questions for which the student has to write in a paper and upload. That kind of questions can also be done in Google Forms. I'll show you now. Like explain in detail how to protect the environment. Let's do with that question. Explain in detail how to protect the environment, and in that side option instead of paragraph select file upload. How explain in detail how to protect the environment. And in that side option take file upload option, and we can give the number of pages, the number of files the attendee can upload, or the number of storage, the number of files, the file size also we can limit. Here I'm allowing 10 files to be uploaded and 100 MB file to be uploaded, and required option. So this is, we can do manual correction also. For this we are doing manual correction and give 5 mark points. So now we can learn how to insert videos and images. For video, click on that video icon near the toolbar of this question, and you will get, you can go to YouTube and select the videos, or if you have the URL already, you can paste the URL in the URL option and insert the video. Now images, select the image icon and you can browse from your laptop or PC, or you can directly search in Google and get the images. Now here I am typing environment, as that's my question about environment, and I am selecting an image regarding environment and click insert. You can give even image title also, but I am not giving, so I inserted the image environment. So these are the kind of questions that you can ask for the test, and it's easy to do. Now in settings, we should enable, if you are doing file upload, you should collect mail IDs, so you can result publish by mail IDs and limit up to 1 response. Then you should go to presentation bag and how you like to present your quiz. And in quizzes option, if you are doing only MCQ, you can do immediately after submission or later after the manual correction if it's file upload.
So after making the complete question paper, if you want to send the question paper to your students, then you must go to the settings and tap on the link icon and then click on the shorten URL option and then click on copy. Then the link will be copied to your computer. Now you can send it through any of your social media or WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, so that they will get the link and they will be able to attend the exam through this link.
Now let's check the preview of this paper, how the attendee gets. Like this paper the attendee will get, and now they should give their mail ID, as we are correcting and sending the answer sheet in mail ID. And now let's try to do this paper 1 into 3. I'm going to do that question 1 into 3. I'm opting the answer as 3, and I'm going to do 22 into 0, the answer as 0. Then the first president of United States, I'm typing as George Washington. Now going to the mail ID, I should type a mail ID for that. Example abc@gmail.com. that mail is better, abc@gmail.com. Now let's see, what if I didn't upload the file, what will happen for a required question. It won't get submitted, so you should upload a file. So click add file, and you can select a document from your drive or your laptop storage. I'm selecting a document from a random document from drive, and I uploaded, so I can click the submit button, and you will get a message like your response is recorded. Now since file upload is there, the teacher can manually correct and publish the result later. And like this, for teachers in the main computer we will get like this. And if you want, we can see the responses individually. If multiple number of responses are coming, we can see responses individually and correct, and we can release the score. Thank you for watching this video. Please share